Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to solve this challenging problem from the Vietnam University entrance examination. Alright, given the rational function y equals mx squared plus 3m squared minus 2 times x minus 2 over x plus 3m, where m is a real parameter. We need to find all values of m so that the angle formed by two asymptotes of the function is 45 degrees. Alright, so by observation, we know that the degrees on the numerator greater than degrees on the denominator. So we have a slant asymptote. And the bottom right here is the vertical asymptote if we let the bottom equals to 0. Alright, so first I have the vertical asymptote. It's gonna be s plus 3m equal to 0. So I solve for s, so it can be s equal to negative 3m. Alright, now for the slant asymptote, I'm gonna do long division. Okay, so I have ms squared plus 3m squared minus 2 times s minus 2 divided by s plus 3m. Alright, if you want to review how to do long division, please check out the video in the description. Alright, so I have coefficient of this one is equal to 1, so m divided by 1 is going to be m. S squared divided by s is going to be s. Alright, so I multiply this one back. It's going to be ms squared. Alright, ms times 3m is going to be 3m squared s. Right, so it could be 3m squared s. Alright, so I change the sign. Right, I change this negative sign, and then I put the plus sign right here. I'm gonna add this guy up. Alright, so this guy cancel out. It's gonna be 0. 3m squared times s is gonna be 3m squared s minus 3m squared s is gonna be 0. Negative 2 times s could be negative 2s right here. So I need to bring negative 2 down. Negative 2 divided by 1 is going to be minus 2. S divided by s is going to be 1. So I don't need to write 1 here. So I multiply this one back. It's going to be negative 2s. Negative 2 times 3m is going to be negative 6m. Alright, and now I need to change the sign. Plus sign. I put plus sign right here. Add this guy up. So it's going to be 0. This guy turns out to be 6m minus 2. Alright, so this one right here, I just rewrite this one as the quotient should be ms minus 2 plus the remainder is going to be 6m minus 2 divided by the divisor should be s plus 3m. Alright, so the slant asymptote it turns out to be y equals ms minus 2. Alright, I'm going to convert this one into the standard form. So it turns out to be ms minus y equal to 2. Alright, now for the first equation right here, I need to leave this one as standard form. So I need to rewrite this one as s plus 0 y equal to negative 3m. Alright, so the reason why I put this one in standard form because I need to find the normal vector of this line. So the normal vector is We know that the equation AS plus BY equals C. The normal vector is AB. Alright, so it turns out to be 1, 0. Now this one, the normal vector, it turns out to be this is n1, this is n2, and -1. Alright, now back to this problem right here. We need to find the value of m so that the angle formed by two asymptotes. So we have vertical asymptotes and slant asymptotes. Alright, of the function is 45 degrees. Okay, let alpha be an angle formed by the vertical asymptotes and slant asymptote. Alright, so we have cosine alpha equals modulo of the dot product between two normal vectors, so it could be n1 times n2 divided by the product of two modules, so it could be absolute value of n1 times absolute value of n2. So we need to find the modular vector of this one, so it could be absolute value of n1. It could be square root of 1 square plus 0 square. It could be 1. Right, this one, absolute value of n2. It could be square root of m square plus 1. And absolute value of n1 times n2 is going to be absolute value of n1 times n2 is going to be 1 times m, so 1 times m plus 0 times -1. Alright, so it's going to be absolute value of m. Alright, so we substitute over here, so we have cosine 45 equal to absolute value of m over absolute value of the vector n1 is going to be 1. Vector n2 is going to be square root of m squared plus 1. Alright, so it turns out to be this guy, absolute value of m over square root of m squared plus 1 equal to root 2 over 2. Alright, so we square both sides, so it turns out to be, we square this one is going to be m squared. Square this one is going to be m squared plus 1 equals 2 over 4. Alright, 2 over 4 is going to be 1/2, right? Okay, cross multiply, so it turns out to be 2m squared equals m squared plus 1. Alright, subtract m squared both sides, so it turns out to be m squared equal to 1. Alright, take square root both sides, so it could be m equals plus and minus 1. This is the final answer. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.